Hi, this is Bruce Hartraft with the Ideal Tool Team. Today we're going to talk about the Lil Ripper Stripper from Ideal. This is an all-purpose tool for the DIY guy who's putting in some lights in his basement. It's great for stripping NM cable, more popularly known as ROMEX. ROMEX is a trademark of Southwire Corporation. Now in the past, many of you used a traditional steel ripper where you'd close on the wire, rip the sheathing open, and then manually cut the sheathing off and strip the wires. The Lil Ripper Stripper does that and more. Let's go through some of the features and functions of this little tool. Starting with the tooth in the front of the tool. The slitting tooth actually slits the sheathing open so that you can prepare the cable for installation. Then you rotate the tool around to the cutoff blade to remove the sheathing that you've just slit open. Rotate the tool one more time to the V-notch blade, and the V-notch blade is used for stripping the actual carriers. And if you look closely, there's a strip gauge on every tool, so if your device requires a 3/8 or 1/4 inch strip length, you can determine that strip length simply by using the tool. Additionally, we have two AccuLoop holes on the side. The AccuLoop holes are used for making grounding loops if you're going around a grounding screw. Let's go through how this tool is used. Let's start with the tooth end. Simply place the slitting tooth up underneath the sheathing of the cable. Slide the slitting tooth up as far as you want on the ROMEX to slit that sheathing open. See how easily it opened up the cable for installation. Now rotate the tool around to the cutoff blade. The cutoff blade is used to remove the sheathing before you go into the electrical box, like so. With the V-notch end of the tool, measure the length that you want to strip using the strip length guide on the side of the tool. Your device manufacturer will specify how long a strip length you use. Place the wire inside the V-notch, score the wire, and give it a quick pull. And just like that, you've got a stripped wire ready to go in the back of the device. If you're making a grounding loop for a grounding screw, you'll want a longer strip length. So again, use the V-notch, apply it against the wire, briskly turn and pull. Now you have a long strip length for a grounding loop. At this point, your AccuLoop holes come into play. Simply slide the wire into the AccuLoop holes and turn the tool into the wire to create a grounding loop for your grounding screw. That's the Lil Ripper Stripper from Ideal Industries, item number 35-025. Thanks.